Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I will teach you how to use panel convert to door, okay, to do a glass door or with aluminium frame. So simply we drag a front razor. Usually I will drag front razor because the panel are stand like this. Then I will just change the number, or simply change the number. Okay, make it 0. This one give it 2001. Okay, after that I will change the panel type. Okay, AiHouse can change the panel. Okay, if here no the button, then we will use board selection. B, board selection. Right click, you will see this one. Transfer to door lift. Okay, this one will turn the panel become a door type, so it can open like this. After that, we just do some changing here. Rotate the door first, or make it send in the right position. Okay, try the button here, maybe Z should be. Okay, correct. So after that, I just change the door type. Okay, right click, door panel, door type, panel type. Okay, simplify the glass door lah, with frame lah. Okay, I forget I find in where. Never mind, I got favorite it. Okay, so I'll go for favorite lah, I think. Aluminium door. Okay, you can type the ID number. Okay, find the product. Okay, tada. So now we just add handle according to the picture. You had handle, right? So I'll just add handle. Or simply put handle look similar with the picture. This one should be lah. Okay lah, choose back the black color one. Okay, yeah. I think my door are in a different area, but never mind. Okay, I'll rotate the door. Oh, the door can rotate one, don't worry. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay. Let me rotate it first. Let me check my handle. Yeah, exit. Okay, just in a different way. Never mind, I'll rotate the door. Okay, so this one 0, I make a 90. Yeah, minus 90, that should be. Okay, my handle come out already. Then I'm gonna move it or move it to the left. Let's see which one is to left. No, 0, give back. And no, this one. Okay, this one put minus or if to the right 150, then to the left should be correct or minus. Okay, so the handle I move a bit, so you can see like the picture although a bit weird glass door here got handle like that. Okay, so I will move the handle out a bit. Okay, using handle installation. Okay, this one X here we can move it 60. Correct. So it will look like the picture. Let's see, compare the picture. Yeah, see, similar. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.